The final walkthrough is the most exciting and yet the most overlooked part of the entire home buying process, but treating it like a victory lap, instead of a final inspection, can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs the moment you move in. This is your legal opportunity to verify that the home is in broom-clean condition and, more importantly, that no new damage occurred when the sellers moved their furniture out, or that they did untake the appliances you specifically negotiated for in the contract. You need to go through the house with a literal checklist. Flush every toilet, turn on every faucet to check for new leaks, test the HVAC system, and ensure that any repairs the seller promised after the initial inspection were actually completed by a professional. If you find a major issue like a broken window or a flooded basement, you have the right to delay the closing or demand a financial credit at the table, but once you sign those final mortgage documents, those problems officially become your financial responsibility. Take your time, bring a flashlight, and don't let the pressure of closing day stop you from protecting your biggest investment.